Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the TECLAST T50 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So now let me just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on History. Here we have to tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic options like browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files. And right here we've got advanced options like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you wish to remove something, make sure that it is marked I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or even all time. It's completely up to you. And then tap on Clear Data to confirm. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.